What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm back again to bring you another tapped in message. Every message will not be your message. Remember to take them only as they resonate, okay? This is a general reading. So we're going to see what comes out. This is the second time I shuffled. And this came out on top. And this is just peeking out. So we got resume the body, crown chakra, understanding, enlightenment, cosmic connection. So we can clearly see like crown chakra has everything to do with communication. So somebody could have received some type of enlightenment or some understanding. Okay. Cosmic connection. This could be some type of spiritual message. Like somebody, you know how somebody passes away and somebody feel like something is just not right about someone's passing. So that's what's going on here. Okay, right? Masculine energy. This could be a masculine energy that received this communication, or this could be about a masculine energy. Yeah, feds, police, and lawyers. They're the feds, the police, and the lawyers are involved in whatever this is. Double check. So they're double checking something. Who are you? They could be double checking who someone is. Okay? They could be looking into backstabbers. This came out again. So they double checking something. And they finding out that with this backstabbers and they did too much, this is every reason why they're having this body, somebody's body resumed. Okay? Thought you had a friend, they just like you. Divine timing. So somebody crossed someone. Warning. Somebody crossed somebody. It's like somebody never healed. Somebody didn't let something go. Somebody was holding on to something. Somebody received some type of warning. Oh, warning, never heal. Somebody let somebody know. Somebody didn't get over something. Somebody was holding grudges. Okay? Something is significant. Acting like they don't know nothing. No, I don't know what you're talking about. What you talking about? So somebody could have told somebody like, you know, this person's still holding that against you. Somebody's still holding grudges. You know, they ain't let that shit go. And then, you know, they could have confronted this person. Somebody was like, oh, you know, I don't know what you're talking about. What you talking about? Okay, that's the energy that I'm picking up from that. Something has everything to do with a coven and something failing. Failure. Okay? Somebody could have had some type of overdose back in May. Law enforcement are involved. What I was going to say was, like, resuming the body. There's overdose in the past. And May is coming up, or May can be significant for something else. But they're relating this to something that happened to somebody in the past. Okay? So for this resume the body, they could have said to someone overdose. And that's not the case. Okay? Yeah, that's not the case. We got the initial Z. We got the initial G, first, middle, or last. Somebody has blonde hair. Somebody wears a blonde shortcut. Something to do with an organization, okay? Somebody's a mental mess. So somebody got caught up, okay? Something is significant about December. Somebody could have pulled up on somebody in December. Okay? Somebody could have pulled up on somebody in December. September could be significant. Okay, we are in the month of September. An air sign could be significant. Okay, this air sign could be losing money. Okay. Shit, somebody could be hiding money. Okay. In a locker or a safe, but somebody's... I'm hearing it. Somebody's keeping getaway money. All honesty, okay? That's really what I'm picking up on. Okay, having you follow. So somebody could be watching somebody real close. Okay? From what this sounds like, whoever you are in the collective, it's like even if you have nothing to do with this, it's like somebody is making somebody a part of something. Okay? But whatever is going on here, it's like they're resuming a body and they're putting two and two together. Okay? This is a masculine energy. Okay? Something happened in the past. It's like something ain't adding up. Okay? There could have been a whole funeral service and all that good shit. But listen, right? This is why they're comparing this to an overdose in the past. And when they resumed the body, apparently, this is what they found. Okay? So, something wasn't of natural causes. Okay? Oh, somebody didn't see this coming. Somebody did not see this coming. Somebody didn't think that they would ever resume the body. Yeah, somebody didn't think that they would. The emperor, whoever this emperor is, this person is pissed off. Because it's like, you know, by resuming this body, someone is being exposed. Okay, with this devil card. Okay. Yeah, this person is, they pissed off because they caught up. Okay, because this, whoever this person is, they could be going to jail. Now, see, no lies told. Ace of Swords, okay? Somebody's heartbroken. Somebody got laid to rest in April. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. A fight broke out, too. Yeah, a fight broke out. So, whatever happened to this person back in April and May, like some news, somebody got some news, okay? This crown chakra communication about this masculine energy. Somebody received some type of enlightenment, a deeper understanding that, you know, there's something going on here that maybe you need to take a deeper look into. Okay, something's being covered up. The Hierophant. Okay. So we all know what this means. Okay, the Hierophant. Look at the energy on the card. That's authority. That's power. Okay? I always see this card as, you know, somebody else is trying to own somebody else's house. You know what I mean? Somebody's trying to have power and authority over another in someone else's house. Somebody's trying to overstep boundaries. You understand? So this fight breaking out could have everything to do with power of attorney. That's really what I'm picking up on. Okay. No lies told. Ace of Wands. So I was going to say this Emperor card, this person is pissed off because they caught up. It's like the Emperor is usually a masculine energy. The Empress is a feminine. Okay, this person and Emperor energy, they're about to explode. So, you know, there could be a feminine behind all of this. You understand? Just like this power of attorney. This person trying to overpower, have authority over another. Maybe that's what somebody wanted, power of attorney. Maybe that's what somebody had over another. And since this person had, you know, a drug addiction problem, somebody could just say this person overdosed. And, you know, who would ever know that it's poison, right? Somebody had a whole ass tower moment about this death. See that red moon in the background? Because this death was not of natural causes. And that landed someone under judgment. Because what was found out was a simple fact. Somebody was only after a new beginning. So somebody made a poison and look like an overdose. Okay? Yeah. And whoever this person is, they are receiving the justice. Some news came in quick. Some news came in quick. What was that news that was received? I'm telling you, enlightenment. That was the news. That, you know, maybe there was more to behind what really happened to this person passing away. And they put two and two together. Whoever this person is, they are shitting bricks. I promise you, they are not sleeping at night. Libra, Virgo, Aquarius, Leo. Okay? We got a Capricorn out here. We got a Pisces out here. We got a Taurus, okay? Five of Cups. When this news came in, like, who could be responsible for this? Somebody realized that the ship they thought was coming in, it was going to sink, right? Stuck. Somebody ended up stuck. Hangman. Somebody ended up in the hangman position, okay? Knight of Pentacles. There could be a younger Capricorn in the mix, all right? Three of Wands. Somebody moved away. Nine of Cups. Somebody moved away. Somebody could have took what they had and moved away. If did they have a family with this person? So if they had a family with this person, it's like they were trying to wear the pants in this relationship. Is what they were trying to do. They wanted the power. Thank you. Spirit said this person wanted the power in their hand. They wanted the authority. Okay? Right. The Magician. They wanted mastery. Ten of Swords. Somebody's having a painful, complete ending. Because whoever this person is, they premeditated a murder. And they paid people to keep their mouth closed. Because they wanted their person's Ten of Pentacles. Power of attorney. They were a family. Husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. They had kids. They had a child. It doesn't matter. They had a life together. And I guess this person felt like, you know, whatever they were going through with this person, they felt like they were better off without this person. So Five of Pentacles, they're at a loss. They're still walking away with nothing. And that has everything to do with, right, somebody is walking away with nothing. At a loss. Okay? Emotionally broken, damaged, okay? Because that means that someone is being charged for taking somebody's life, okay? And it sounds like this someone is someone they were with in a relationship, marriage, relationship. They were with this person. I'm telling you, they playing this with other people, with their friends, and it could be this person that didn't see this coming, and this pissed off energy, okay? Somebody lied. Somebody could have lied to somebody's mother. This Crone of Wands. Yeah, this older woman is trying to figure out something. What really happened? Okay, this could be this mother energy here. Okay? Somebody could have been questioning this person, like, what happened? What happened? You know? And whatever this mother, whatever this older woman was told, okay? This is not a middle-aged woman. This could be someone, Spirit is saying more than 60, okay? 71, 75, 72, somewhere around there, okay? This mother energy could have asked this person, what happened? What happened? And this person lied because, you know, whoever this person is, it's like that red moon, it's like they searching for answers. This person is in their thoughts. You know, they looking up at the sky. They looking up at the stars. They wondering, okay, what really happened? They feel like something is just not right with what they're being told. They don't feel like this was an overdose. They feel like this person is lying to them. Right, they feel like this person is trying to get away with something. And who, listen, a mother knows. Okay, a mother knows. Okay? See this focus card? Somebody was focused. Eight of Pentacles. Somebody was just waiting for the check to come in the mail. It's like it didn't even bother this person what they did. Look, that's the energy they were in when they got glasses in the air and shit. This is what we gonna do. We gonna make it look like an overdose. All right, girls. Listen, I tell you no lies. I tell you no lies. Pisces energy, like. I was just about to say that Libra energy, this person could be hiding, keeping their friends' secrets. Okay? Somebody has short blonde hair. I mean, she's got white hair, but these cards ain't lying. Somebody knows exactly what their friend did because somebody sat right there and planned it because they told them what they would get out of it. And somebody's eyes just lit up with dollar signs. I could buy this, I could buy that, and I could buy this, and I could buy that. Somebody got carried away. Somebody got carried away. I'm telling you, didn't I say somebody was hiding money in a locker or a safe? Page of Pentacles. Do you not see somebody burying money? Found it. Okay. Well, this card could also be indicating the fact that that's what it took for them to get the money. They had to bury something, okay? But they digging some shit up. Somebody was hiding money, okay, for this very moment. Right here. Being caught up. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. The High Priestess. Queen of Cups. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So this Queen of Cups is a Scorpio. So we got a Scorpio, a Pisces, and we have a Libra. So this could be the three friends that planned this, okay? Somebody, listen, whoever left when this happened, it's like, look, this is 444. 4. Something happened in April. Okay, so this is what happened. It's like after this took place, if this person must have passed away in April, right? They were out celebrating. They were out celebrating. But some news came in quick. Like somebody was ready to take off. But the way somebody had to leave, they were not happy. It's like somebody took off on the run. That's what it's like. Yeah, somebody took off on the run because of this Wheel of Fortune. Somebody was getting caught up. Okay? Somebody was getting caught up. And they went, somebody's overseas somewhere. Okay? That is not Long Island Beach, okay? That is not Coney Island, okay? That is a tropical island. See the trees? Listen, somebody is not even in the States. But whatever somebody was trying to get away with, they are not getting away with this shit. They are not. There's a Knight of Swords. There's this young Knight of Swords. What is this Knight of Swords? What's up with this Knight of Swords? The Knights, the Swords are air signs. What's up with this Knight? This person is on a white horse, like there's some type of victory or something. For a Star. Yeah, somebody was playing everybody close. Strength card. Okay, it's like somebody was strong-arming, using everybody. Look at all of them falling all over this person. Falling all over this person. But it's to keep the illusion going, the lie. Okay, somebody's playing their role here. Yeah, somebody passed away. April. And I'm telling you, this person went out. Look at this. Look at the card. 4-4. They didn't waste no time. We pulled it off. Yes. You know what I mean? Come on now. Come on. That's really the energy you in. After you did this to your own person. Let's celebrate. Fuck. The Lovers. The Lovers. They did this shit to their own lover. Crone of Swords. Somebody get into some type of accident. Because it's showing up. This Crone of Swords is showing up. This is the person that's coming in bringing balance, okay? This could be the lawyer. Remember, feds and lawyers are involved in whatever this is. Somebody could have gotten in some type of accident. Somebody could be in a wheelchair. Something could have happened to somebody when somebody got injured. Somebody could be on defense about how someone ended up injured. Okay? Hermit. Somebody's isolated to themselves. Somebody's thinking back on how hard they worked to put this whole plan and plot together. Two of these feminines could have been in a relationship together. Okay, somebody could be pregnant. Somebody could be about to give birth soon. Okay. Somebody could be about 7 months pregnant right now. Yeah, it's this young air sign. It's masculine energy. 10 of Wands. This person could, this young air sign, this Knight of Swords could have exposed this person for what they were trying to get away with. Okay, this is a white horse. It's like somebody is, you know, bringing in some type of justice. Somebody's like calling this person out. Okay, remember I said somebody received some type of communication, some type of enlightenment. You know, this could be the person that put this person on to what their person was up to. Yeah, all this person did it for money. I'm telling you, this is what somebody did this shit for money. Somebody told this mother this. Somebody got some type of communication of what this was really about. Somebody could have confessed, okay? With this police, lawyers, and Fed, somebody could have confessed because, okay, you know they were taking people in for questioning. 7 of Wands. It's like no matter what they tried to do to someone to keep from being caught, it's like this person still remained to stay balanced. So it's like they were trying to stop someone from exposing them, but they ended up exposed anyway. The plan was to be out of town by October. Yo, listen. Listen, they supposed to be nowhere in sight right now. So it's like 3 of them got together and planned this, but it's 4 of them in the picture though. So it's like 10-10. October. That's a year. So somebody planned this in the past. And this was supposed to be the outcome in the future, like 10 cups. They were supposed to have all the money. They supposed to have all the bread, okay? 9 pentacles, that's right. Okay? They're supposed to be set. Queen of Wands, somebody was just writing down everything. Everything they were going to do. Somebody was just making plans. They were going to do this. They're going to do that. They're going to do this. And they're going to do that. Somebody found out and made up. Put your sword down, bitch. We got caught. I'm serious. That's the energy. Put your sword down. Okay? The cat's out of the bag. The world. There's some type of ending for a brand new beginning here. So something is ending for someone. Okay? Pentacles, Capricorn. Knight of Cups, water sign. I'm telling you, this person wanted to be the Queen of Pentacles. This person wanted to be the Queen of Pentacles. Listen, I'm telling you, somebody started making plans. Like, somebody found out that this shit was up, and they like, listen, where in the world can I go but here? Anywhere but here. Okay? Yeah, Six of Swords. Somebody just want to move on to calmer waters. Okay? Whatever this is, they did not see this person's mother resuming this body. They had no idea. And then autopsy proved something else. Okay, so whatever this was that this person overdosed, whatever they said it was, it did not match their autopsy results. Okay, that's what this is. OMG. Before I started the reading, I shuffled the deck. I shuffled twice, and this that kept coming out. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna read the energy, though I'm trying to avoid it. Okay, resume the body. I already know what that means. Like, someone is no longer with us. Okay, we got awaiting results. So they could have been waiting for the results to come back in from this to see what from what. Okay, and when they received the results, what happened? Just breathe. Wow. Wow. It left somebody breathless. Just breathe. Somebody, when they got the results back, somebody couldn't believe what really happened. Okay? So like I said, when they thought this person died of, natural reasons, that's not the case. Somebody was really in their emotions, like heart chakra, sacral chakra. Somebody could have had a relationship with this person, so like this person could have could have been dealing with somebody else outside of their person. Okay. Yeah, and when this person found out what happened, it shattered this person. Like, somebody couldn't believe the news they received. They could not. From that moment on, change your focus. Somebody saw something different. Some people different. Wow. So it's like this person, right, release. This person was shattered because this person found out what really happened. Somebody wanted the upper hand. Somebody wanted to have the authority in somebody else's house, even if they were sharing the same home, the same house with this person. Okay? Somebody wanted power of attorney. They wanted the money. Okay? They wanted the money. And somebody's mother could not rest. This mother could not rest. Parents have that, okay? Especially mothers. Maybe because we carry our children for so long in us that we connected to them even when they pass away. If something ain't right, a mother is gonna know, okay? It's like even when your kids are away from you, if something ain't right, you can feel that. I'm a mom, I know, okay? So this mother is in tune, okay? This is a mom right here because she didn't let this go. Whatever enlightenment she received, I'm telling you, she went through whatever it took to have that body resume. And that shit is not cheap, okay? So this mother is fighting for justice for this masculine energy, which would be, I really feel like this is a mother-son. I'm picking that up so strong. Like, I don't feel like that's the energy I got. That's the energy I got. This masculine energy. This is like, A mother's love is really what I'm picking up on. Somebody's having a hard time, okay? It's like if something happened to this person in April, it's like that shit did not last long, because in May somebody had to get ready for war. You see that person with that shield in front of them? Remember the fight that broke out? It's like somebody wanted to kick this person's ass because it's a couple. The masculine is missing. They holding the lover responsible. Telling you somebody went searching for answers. Seek. Someone seek and they found. Is it true? Is it true that it was more? Is it true it was more to what happened? And you can't blame this mother for feeling this way. Okay? Whoever this emperor is that's explosive, is angry. You got to understand this is someone's child here. Okay? We got this listen card out here. Wow, coming together. It's like with this listen and coming together, maybe someone didn't want to hear what somebody had to say, but after rechecking, double checking, like the card said, now somebody want to come together with somebody. Wow. Strengthening bonds. Taking the lead. Yeah, maybe somebody felt like they needed proof. Okay, I'm just not going to believe because somebody's saying something. I'm just not going to believe. And now this person is like, oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Somebody wanted, look, opportunity. Somebody was an opportunist. This was somebody's way of opening the door to opportunity. And with this teach card, they are learning the lesson that this is not the way you go about, right, your dreams coming true. This is not the way you go about reaching financial success, having any type of fortune. This is not it. Okay, we got moving on. Who's moving on? Love abounds. I was going to say who's moving on. Whoever this person is, they at peace. Okay, whoever this person is, something could be significant about August 17th, because we got moving on and then heal. It's like the chains have broken, meaning like before resuming the body, it's like this person wasn't resting because what happened to this person was unknown. Okay, so now that they know what's going on and who did what really happened, it's like this person can make peace and like cross over now. It's like this person was not resting. Okay. August 17th, that's Leo energy. Yeah, that's a Leo. Wow. That's why that card says heal, because it's been solved. I'm telling you. Right, I set the captive free. I just heard that. I set the captive. It's like this person was being held and captive spiritually. You understand? That's what this is. And this person, yo, this is some touch. Who remembers Touched by an Angel? Remember that show? Like, those two women used to come in your life, and they used to stay there because they had to get to the heart of the matter. It was always something on a deep soul level that they had to reach within you to heal it, right? To break the chains, to set you free. So that's what happened to this person. Wow. We got to reach out. That's amazing shit. Like, people don't believe stuff like that happens, but yeah. Sometimes spirits, they don't rest, especially when they are unalive outside of natural causes, okay? So, shit, what card is that? Third eye chakra. Okay, so this is maybe why somebody wasn't buying it, okay? Maybe somebody got this news from, like, right, maybe somebody received this communication from a psychic. Third eye chakra, communication, enlightenment, cosmic connection. So maybe this mother got this information from a psychic, and somebody said, yeah, okay, yeah, right. So now this person's like, oh shit, wait a minute. You know what I mean? That person was right. So now that's what this coming together is about. Open up. Somebody want to open up about what happened. This is crazy. And it's like, whatever this is right now, confirmation, like, this is happening, like, right now. This is present energy. So when I say July, I mean July. This is current. This is present. June, April, September. We're in September. We're in September. Everybody's watching. What is everybody watching? It's like observe. It is like a group of people watching. What is everybody watching? Spirit, what is everybody watching? Because they got their focus. All these people, they are looking at something. Something's got their attention. Embrace. They're taking something in. Yeah, they're taking something in. Maybe these people are healing begins. Okay. Something can be on trial. Okay. Something could be coming to a close with this case. Observe. Everybody's watching. Embrace. Healing begins. It's like once this is all over, right, everybody involved can, begin healing, rebuild. Okay, because before in the past, they thought this person just passed away of natural causes, but really they thought it was an overdose. But no, that's not the case. Okay? It's actually showing that this wasn't like no street drugs. This was something else. Share the love. Somebody is broken. Somebody's heartbroken. I'm telling you, when somebody found out what really happened to this person, just breathe. Somebody could have damn near fainted. Okay? Oh, shit. Choose your battles. Choose your battles. Blossom. Seek the truth. Clarity of belief. Somebody wants to fight. Somebody could want to fight. Blossom. Choose your battles, blossom. Somebody could want to fight because of how much something has changed, how much someone has changed. Seek the truth. Maybe the fact that the truth has been revealed. Clarity of belief. Somebody can't believe it. It's like you could choose to fight with somebody. Or since the truth is out, is, you know, you can choose to make peace with this person. This clarity of belief, this is probably the person that didn't believe what they were being told. Okay, right. And you still got somebody in this energy refusing to see this. Refusing to see what? It's like the truth is out. You can't even tell this mother energy that refusing to see balance. So somebody is refusing to find balance with someone. Why? Why is this person in this energy? Like, this is a time for healing right now. Nurture, right? Because of something that happened in the past. Yeah, something happened in the past and this person is refusing to see. This person don't know how to find balance between whoever you are in the collective. Somebody don't feel like... Somebody could be refusing to heal something between you and them that happened in the past. Take that how it resonates, okay? That's not going to be for everybody. But this is someone's darkest fear. Libra, Virgo being exposed. You can have it somewhere in your chart. You don't have to be a Virgo. You don't have to be a Libra, but you can have it in your chart. Because I'm telling you, it's like these friends, I mean, they were keeping it secret. And usually when you hold information, knowing that somebody committed a crime like this, you can get in trouble, okay? So this is why this is someone's darkest fear. Someone is scared as shit. Like, oh no. This could be a masculine energy. Yeah, this person, somebody knows that they are in helpless and hopeless. You damn right. They're in a world of trouble. I know this is not something that someone really wants to be facing right now. Okay, especially in the past when everything was said and done. Like, you know, you were the grieving widow or some shit, only to come and find out that you ain't grieving. You know what I mean? You waiting for joy and stability. Wow. I'm going to get out of this reading. I'm going to get out of this reading. This is crazy. Somebody's in their feelings. Somebody is in their feelings. Confront. Manifest. Somebody's trying to find the strength to confront. Somebody's trying to manifest somebody back into their energy because they're in their feelings. Yeah, but oh yeah, this person doesn't want to fight. This person wants to find balance, okay? Yeah, but somebody's trying to, I guess, build up enough within themselves to find the strength, the courage, you know, to approach, okay? So they're working on manifestation right now, seriously. But whatever this family, this is going to resonate for. It's like this family got to heal over this tragic ending. Okay? It's like somebody used their person's struggles, you know, with addiction. Hell yeah, this is a backfire. Backfire organization. It did have something to do with, like, in the beginning, something about a coven, some type of deception, okay? Yeah, organization. Right, coven. Business partner, investment. Take it how it resonates, okay? You know your story better than I do. But that is the message. I hope it helped. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, have a blessed one. Later.